Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for another video. So today we have got a super motivating speed clean. It is a done is better than perfect. You know those days when you don't really feel like cleaning the house, but you just have to get in and do, even if it's just the absolute minimum to a very basic standard. My house wasn't too out of shape, but the floors were definitely overdue for a good vacuum and they really needed a good steam mop. We've been doing a lot of decluttering, so I've been using my little hand trolley to take boxes in and out throughout the apartment, so it was looking pretty well worse for wear. It needed a good clean. And even though I wasn't really feeling like it, I wasn't in the mood to clean, I just thought I'm going to get in and I'm going to do 5 minutes for each room as much as I can. So I set on my iPad a 5-minute timer, each room or each area, and I just went ham and cleaned as quickly as I could, and I just got as much done as possible in that time limit for each of those rooms. If you are ever like me and find yourself feeling unmotivated to get cleaning, but you know that you need to, I would highly suggest using this technique. In my apartment, I can pretty much get all the key areas done in around half an hour if I just hustle, stick to that time limit, and just get as much as I possibly can done within those short time frames. Keeping it to that short time frame, it just rules out all chance of distraction. You just stay 100% focused, and within 30 minutes, you can get your kitchen, I got my bathroom, my ensuite, my lounge dining room, and my bedroom cleaned. Not to a perfect standard. I didn't go in and clean like all of the mirrors and windows with glass cleaner or anything like that. I just did the basics that needed cleaning and spot cleaned anything that I could see needed attention. This is a great way to just get your house picked up, cleaned up to a nice standard when you don't have a ton of time or motivation, but you still want to get it done.
You think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't.
Another tip, if you are looking to keep your cleaning time to a minimum and keeping it as fuss-free as possible, is to minimize the number of products you're using. So as you can see, I've used my glass cleaner to clean not only the mirrored glass, but I also use it just as a quick cleaner to clean over the bathroom vanity and even the toilet. You don't need a specific cleaner for each and every item in your home. Sometimes when you're in a rush and you just want to get it done, one cleaner will do the trick just fine.
Get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you knock me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go when I come real close.
Another time-saving tip when it comes to cleaning your home as quickly as possible is to skip the scrubbing of the showers and just spray them down. And then when you are actually in the shower next, that's when you can use that time to give your shower a nice scrub. I always clean my showers when I'm in them. I will only ever clean my shower fully clothed if I'm making a YouTube video detailing how I scrub and clean my shower. So typically I will just spray it down when I'm doing the house clean, and then once I'm in the shower, and it doesn't matter if I get dripping wet because I'm already in the shower, that's when I'll take care of scrubbing it down and cleaning it. Again, I'm just using the one product in my bathroom. It's actually like a kitchen multi-purpose spray. It's definitely not my favorite, as you'll see in a minute. I really don't like the smell. It's got a super strong smell, so I'm using it to clean my bathroom. But just trying to use it all up by cleaning the toilet, the bathroom vanity, using it to clean the shower cubicle, just trying to use it up and get rid of it. Toxic, yuck. It's actually honestly quite amazing how much you can get cleaned and done in as short a time as 5 minutes per room if you just eliminate all distractions. So turn off your phone, don't get distracted by anything else, just focus on keeping up that speed, keeping up that momentum, and getting as much done as humanly possible in that short amount of time. Honestly, the motivation of having everything done in 30 minutes or so is often motivation enough for me to just stay focused and just get it smashed out as quickly as possible. And it doesn't matter really what you do in each room, and you won't do the same things in one room to the other. Like some rooms might need more attention, like on fingerprints on glass, or some might need more attention on putting things away. I'd already made my bed, for example, so I didn't have to spend time making it. So I was able to spend that 5 minutes in doing some dusting and then packing some things up that needed to underneath my bed. Different things for different rooms, but just use that time limit that you set yourself to get as much done, and the things that need the highest priority.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way.
As I mentioned before, the floors were particularly bad in our house on the day that I did this clean, because we had been doing a lot of decluttering, and like I mentioned, that hand trolley had left some scuff marks. So I dedicated a whole 5-minute period to really deep cleaning the floors, particularly in the entryway and in the kitchen where I had some scuff marks. And then since I had the steam mop out, I also used it to give the bathroom and the ensuite floors a nice, deep, detailed clean.
And I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way
So guys, that about wraps it up for today's Motivating Clean with me. Like I mentioned before, sometimes you just don't feel motivated to clean. Honestly, I see lots of videos on YouTube about these whole day cleans, 2-day, 3-day cleans. Honestly, I could not think of anything worse than to spend 3 days cleaning my house. That's why I like to do videos like this that encourage you just to get in and get your house cleaned as quickly as possible. Like I said, even if it's not to that perfect standard, sometimes done really is better than perfect, and you get so much more free time rather than spending your life cleaning your house. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It's great feedback for me, lets me know that you enjoy this type of content and for me to keep on making it. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this new channel. Hang out and watch a few more videos. I'll leave a playlist of all my cleaning videos linked in the description below. Hope you have a fabulous day. You don't spend all day cleaning. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.
I'm sensing a smile.